Hey there, class, and welcome to another week of chemistry. This week, we're going to be making, and we're going to having another fun experiment here. Again with items that are found around the house. This is a really fun one. So, this week, we're kind of talking about. Free energy and entropy and things like that. And so, what we're going to do this week is we're going to make some elephant paste. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of start getting things together. And as we kind of go through it, we'll talk about the reaction that's happening. So, got here in this glass, we're going to add some peroxide. That'll work. I'm going to add a few drops of dish soap and a couple drops of food coloring. And really, the food coloring just to make this experiment look cooler. So, all right. And here is just some hot water. We're going to add some yeast to it and just kind of mix it up. Shut off this running water here. Alright, that's decent. Alright, now I'm going to put a towel down for the floor here. I don't really care about the counter as much, but we might get a pretty good reaction here because I didn't really measure anything out. I just kind of started throwing stuff together here, which is fine. I think we'll still get a desired reaction. So, yeah, just kind of watch as we add this again. And here is the yeast with hot water dissolved, or mixed, I should say. And here we've got hydrogen peroxide, a bit of dish soap, and food coloring. So watch what happens when we can add this together here. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna flip you around here. So as you can see, we're making quite the mess, which is fine. Yeah, that's definitely foamy. Woo-wee. So, what happened is, as you may recall, the chemical formula for hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. And this will naturally break down into water and oxygen. And the yeast really just, acts as a catalyst and just kind of speeds things along. So the yeast just rapidly made this happen. And once that occurred, the oxygen and water that was produced then reacted with the dish soap that we put in there to make this foam that we've got going on here. And if you can kind of tell, this thing is still growing quite a bit. and of course, the food coloring just got kind of evenly mixed. So, this is a good um, experiment for decomposition reaction of hydrogen peroxide and the use of a catalyst, and uh, they can even talk a little bit about entropy, as we use that hot water to help um, dissolve slash mix up the yeast, and even speed along even further. So stay tuned next week for some more science experiments.